Here are 10 interesting facts about tomatoes. 1. Tomatoes are fruits. Botanically, tomatoes are classified as berries because they develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds. However, they are commonly treated as vegetables in cooking. 2. There are over 10,000 varieties. Tomatoes come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, including red, yellow, orange, green, purple, and even striped varieties. Some are bred for fresh eating, while others are ideal for sauces and canning. 3. They were once thought to be poisonous in the 18th century. Many Europeans believed tomatoes were toxic because they belonged to the nightshade family. Wealthy people using pewter plates high in lead mistakenly blamed tomatoes for poisoning when the acidity of the fruit leached lead into their food. 4. Tomatoes improve in flavor after harvesting. Unlike some fruits, tomatoes continue to ripen after being picked, especially when stored at room temperature. However, refrigeration can dull their flavor. 5. Tomatoes contain lycopene. This powerful antioxidant gives tomatoes their red color and has been linked to numerous health benefits, including heart health and cancer prevention. Cooking tomatoes actually increases lycopene availability. 6. The tomato genome was sequenced in 2012. Scientists mapped the tomato genome, allowing for better breeding of disease-resistant and high-yield varieties while preserving heirloom flavors. 7. China is the largest tomato producer. China leads global tomato production, followed by India and the United States. Tomatoes are a major agricultural crop worldwide. 8. Tomato plants can grow very large. While most tomato plants are compact, some indeterminate varieties can reach over 10 feet 3 meters tall if properly supported. The largest recorded tomato plant reached 65 feet. 9. The world's heaviest tomato weighed over 10 pounds. The Guinness World Record for the heaviest tomato is 10.8 pounds 9 kilograms, grown by a US farmer in 2020. 10. Tomatoes were first domesticated in South America. Wild tomato ancestors originated in the Andes region of modern-day Peru, Ecuador, and northern Chile before being cultivated by Mesoamerican civilizations like the Aztecs.